All right, you should have gotten an email from me um, stating that I created IXL accounts for everyone. You will also should have gotten an email that has your username and password. So if you just go to IXL.com, this is the screen that should show up. Type in the username that was assigned to you, and then I believe I set your password to be the 00 number that gets you logged into your Chromebooks. So when you log in, you'll see something like this. I'm not sure if this stuff down here will be here for the first time that you log in, but I've already been playing around. This is the student account that I created for myself, so this is actually what you will see. Um, what you'll do is go to, or make sure you're under the Learning tab, click on Math, and I think since I put you in 7th grade math, it might show up 7th grade. If not, since I was already in and selected 7th grade, that might be why. But otherwise, if it doesn't select 7th grade, just scroll down, select 7th grade. Excuse me. And then all of the 7th grade math skills and topics are here for you to explore. The ones that you should focus on are the ones that I have starred, and they are way down here in S and T. This is what we are doing right from chapter 6 right now. So what you can do, so these numbers back here are the let's see, what is it, smart score or something? Whoops, I don't want that. Go back. I want to actually click on the, not the smart score. There we go. Oh yeah, smart score. It is the smart score. So let's see. Go back down, click. You'll just be working through these. So click whatever topic, it's probably the best to go in order. A goal is to get a smart score of 80 for each of these. Obviously, you can work to 100, but 80 shows that you are proficient and that you understand what you're doing. So you just go ahead and work through these problems and see as I'm getting them correct, my smart score is going up. What you can do if these problems are too hard, they might have you click on these not feeling ready yet topics, go through those, stuff like that. Another nice thing about IXL is that, let's go to one that I haven't done yet. So you can click this Learn with an Example. It'll give you kind of like step-by-step solution how to walk through the problem. So you can always look for that. And if you get a problem wrong, so let's see, I subtract 3 from both sides, so this will be 12. So then let's say I said my answer is 2, which should be incorrect. It'll say, sorry, that's incorrect, and give you an explanation of what you did and how to work through this given problem. So that's pretty cool about that as well. So make sure you're looking at that if you're not getting them correct. Let's see. You can, oh, I don't know what this is. I've won a prize. I haven't seen this. Okay, so maybe I've just earned a game or something. I'm not really sure. See, we're learning this together. So, looks like this is my prize. Oh, I got the electric keyboard. Cool. Anyways, another thing that you can do is come up, you'll spend most of your time under this Learning tab in the math, going through the highlighted ones, but you can come to this Diagnostic and they'll test you on all the different 7th grade topics. You can click Step into the Arena and it'll give you a bunch of problems and then it'll tell you your math level. And then I think what it'll do is give you problems that are at your level, which is pretty cool too. Another thing is you can check and see how much time you have been on IXL, I have access to all of this too on my teacher account for every single one of you. So I can see how many questions you've answered on any given day, how much time you've spent practicing, how many skills you're progressing in, how we're doing here by category. I can look at exactly what you're doing in each of your sessions as well. You can see your trouble spots, your scores, questions, project progress up here. So it's pretty cool. You'll just kind of have to play around with it and see what you can come up with. Like I said, we're learning this together, so I'm excited to see what this will do. Hopefully, this will be a lot easier for me to keep track of the practice that you're doing so you won't have to send me pictures of your work or emails of your typed up answers and stuff like that.